thought we'd go for a fall nature walk and see what kind of math we can find, see what kind of nature we can find. Fall is an awesome season in Ontario. The leaves change colors. Today's not too bad, a little bit overcast, but still a great day for a walk. All right, let's go.
Their food on the ground. They like to be in places where there's enough rocks, bushes, fallen logs, and leaves to hide them from predators. They gather acorns and other things to make their way through the winter, since they don't actually store up enough fat on their bodies to make it through the winter. So they'll wake up periodically throughout the winter, have a snack, and go back to sleep.
Here you can see on a tree, we found some decomposers, some fungi. And the fungi is growing off the side of the tree in these, mushroom is a fungi, but don't eat mushrooms that you see in the forest because they could definitely be poisonous. I believe most of them are. Do start to break down leaves and branches along with bacteria so that it can come back into the forest floor here. It breaks it down and turns it back into nutrients. So there's some mold on that one. And then nutrients goes back into the soil and provides food for other plants and animals that need it. You can see this one's pretty soft and decomposing. I can tear that apart. Ooh, is there something in there? Oh, there's a spider in there. Look at that. Oh, and there's a snail in there. It's a lot. Oh. Look at, there's an insect there, a snail, and if you look in that hole right there, there's a spider. Hello, spider. Decomposing logs provide homes to lots and lots of living creatures, including, here's some moss on it, and if you look really closely, it's come into small little granules that will return the nutrients to the soil. Decomposing logs are homes to many, many things. Maple trees are deciduous trees. So deciduous are the kind with broad, flat leaves like this, or like this, and in the fall they fall off. But not only do they fall off, oh, there's a blue jay saying hello. Not only do they fall off, but they change color. Usually they're filled with chlorophyll, that when the sun is strong in the summer, they're green. The chlorophyll gives them their green color. In the fall, when the sun kind of loses some of its strength, the chlorophyll fades and allows the color to come out underneath it. So that's why leaves seem to change color, or they do actually change color in the fall. Coniferous trees like this one often lose their lower branches when they're in a forest. Not enough light can filter through the canopy to provide light for the lower branches. So if this trail is 3 kilometers, how many meters is 3 kilometers? Hey Liam, how many months in a year?
12.
Liam, how many days in a year?
365.